All right, so I think we are okay. So there are a few people who used to come late, right? I think we need to change their time by 10:45. Then only they will be able to log in by 11.
Maybe we can do that next weekend onwards,
All right,
tomorrow
quickly.
onwards.
So yeah, yeah. So then only they will log in at 11. All right, so the next thing which we are going to start is a few more input scenarios, right? And I hope you all are reading the book which I have given to you. Yes, no, maybe. So this, okay. Only Achal is just started. Okay. What about others? So only two people. I think I should not give that book in free, right? Uh, because people don't care about the free stuff. Okay. That Manish, I will take care. So only 4 or 5 people are, started with this book. Uh, so before I begin, I would like to tell you one thing, right? So everyone has to play a role in your learning journey, and your role is more critical than mine, right? And that role requires you to spend time on your PC, time on your study to acquire a certain skill, right? By listening or by watching, you will not be able to learn everything. There's something which you can only acquire by practicing. So with this, I would like everyone to start reading it. Trust me, that's a wonderful book. All right. Yes, Manish, you tell me your problem, then I will start the class today. Okay. Now window is open. Problem statement, Manish. Manish, you can unmute and you can speak, or if you want to type it, you can type your query over here. Sorry.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, Manish.
Yeah, morning, sir.
Manish, we can hear you. Good morning.
यस सर सर मुझे इसमें इशू आया था लाइक मैंने जो भी वो अपना पार्क डेटा वाला जो डाटा था तो मैंने वो उसमें पुट किया बट आउटपुट में जो एकरेज वाला लास्ट वाला कॉलम था एकरेज में उसमें डॉट्स आ रहे थे लाइक वो एरिया वाला डाटा सही नहीं आ रहा था
Okay. So Manish, do one thing, right?
यस सर
जो पीडीएफ मैंने आपको दी है ना, पीडीएफ जो दी
यस
है,
सर या
उस पीडीएफ में कंट्रोल एफ करना, ठीक है?
ओके
कंट्रोल अभी नहीं, मतलब आफ्टर टुडेज क्लास, ठीक है?
ओके ओके
मैं एन वहाँ लिखना पार्क डेटा या
ओके
पार्क लिखना या जो भी एक कोई भी नाम है ना वहाँ पे उस डेटा का कोई भी एक नाम लिखना एंड यू विल रीच टू दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रोग्राम.
ओके सर
इट इज नॉट लाइक कि मैं आपको अभी आंसर नहीं करना चाहता, मैं आपको एम्पावर करना चाहता हूँ, जो कि मेरी हमेशा कोशिश रही है. यू शुड बी एबल टू सॉल्व योर प्रॉब्लम. मैं आज एक
यस सर मैं
सिनेरियो में आपकी मदद कर दूंगा, राइट? मैं आपको 2 सिनेरियो में मदद कर दूंगा, बट कल को
यस
आपको तो इंडिपेंडेंट होना है.
यस सर
So you today you have 7-8 hours of window. You try today yourself. If you are still facing the challenge, then I will solve the problem.
Okay, sir. Okay, no problem, sir.
ठीक है? Deal done?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, perfect. Hitesh, will you? Okay, I will give you. I have, content which is more than enough to you to practice for a year. But I need a commitment that you people are utilizing the material which I am supplying, right? And the first thing which I have given you is the PDF, right? And I see that people are still not started, so I don't want to bombard you with the new stuff every other day. So show me some pace, right? Show me that okay, you people have started reading that book. You start asking questions from that book. Okay, this is there. What is the use of this? What is that? What is that? Then I will, trust me, I will give you enough material that will help you to ace your base test and advanced test examination. राइट, अदरवाइज क्या होगा, आपकी हार्ड ड्राइव में आप ना बहुत चीजें स्टोर करते जाओगे, जैसा कि आपने और पिछले प्रोग्रामों में किया होगा। और एक दिन क्या होगा, जैसा मेरे साथ हुआ था, एक दिन सडनली आपकी, भगवान ना करे ऐसा कोई भी हो, हार्ड ड्राइव क्रैश कर जाएगी, फिर सारा मटेरियल चला जाएगा। ठीक है, फिर बोलोगे कि कुछ भी नहीं सीखा। तो सीखना है वो अपनी हार्ड ड्राइव में स्टोर करो। I hope you have received the message in the same spirit in which I want to convey. So, did you explore that book, Hitesh? Yes, you will find your answer over there. So, and I am talking about the beyond that book. So, once you show some progress, right, I will share another book that is only for practice purpose. There you will see only the program, a problem statement, a program, and the data. I will provide you that thing as well. But show me some progress. All right, so okay, let's begin the class. So people who come late, so there are two people who come late. कौन थे वो दोनों? ईमानदारी से अपना नाम बता दो, जिन्होंने अभी अभी लॉगिन किया है। अमन एंड रोहित। सो अमन एंड रोहित, पता क्या, आपकी वजह से ना ये बाकी के 12-13 लोग वेट कर रहे थे। ठीक है ना? सो आई वुड अप्रिशिएट टाइम से लॉगिन कर लिया करो, अदरवाइज हम क्लास का टाइम 10:45 कर देंगे, फिर क्या फायदा। नीड नॉट टू बी सॉरी, जस्ट be cautious that other people are also spending time, उनका टाइम भी वैल्यू है। All right, so quickly let me share this data with you. Okay, मतलब रोहित कुछ, इसमें आलोक सर कहाँ से आ गए? क्लास तो तुमने ज्वाइन करनी है। आलोक सर ने अगर मैसेज नहीं भेजा तो कोई बात नहीं, आप भी क्रॉस चेक कर सकते हो ना। सर मैसेज नहीं भेजा, क्या बात है। चलो लेट्स बिगिन। तो आपको जो डेटा शेयर किया है वो कुछ ऐसा होगा, नोटपैड पर कुछ ऐसा दिखना चाहिए, राइट? सर मौसम की मार है ये। All right, so once you have this data at your end, it's a pretty simple data, right? Yes, because of since I'm pasting over there, you are copying, your system is interpreting it different. मैंने सो column number. Sure. So let me show you the column number. So this is starting from 9. This is starting from 38, and this is starting from 43. 9, 38, 43. So can you make a program to read this data quickly? So बता देता हूँ डेटा में कॉलम किस चीज का, ये हाईवे का नाम है, ये हाईवे का ये हाईवे का टाइप है, ये हाईवे का नाम है. दिस इज मॉर्निंग ट्रैफिक, दिस इज इवनिंग ट्रैफिक. Read it and let me know once you are done with your program. और जो लोग नहीं भी कर पाए वो भी मेरे को बताएं प्लीज. This is type, means type of highway. Which type of highway is a freeway or subway? Freeway or surface, right? This is the name of the highway. This is morning traffic and this is evening traffic. Done? हो गया सबका? Only Karishma is able to do it. बाकी को क्या हुआ? Okay, this still doing. 3 minutes. Okay, given. अब मैं सबके सिस्टम आके चेक करूंगा आज पक्का. Okay, Roshin, I am writing the name of the heading. So first one is type of highway, right? Second one is name. Third is AM traffic. Johnny, Karishma. Who else? It's a very basic program, right? रोहित हुआ? Okay. Ritesh, Johnny, Karishma. Okay. Achal. कार्तिकेय हो गया? Sorry, it's a wrong. Let me share the data. मनीष हुआ? Oshin? So what is the challenge? एरर क्या आ रही? कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम आ रही होगी प्रोग्राम लिखने में, या तो प्रोग्राम सही से रन होगा या एरर आएगी, दो ही चीजें होंगी। हाँ, तीसरी चीज भी हो सकती है, आप कर ही ना रहे हो तो फिर कुछ भी नहीं आएगा। तो अभी कौन हुआ है? ओके, इट इज गिविंग यू एन एरर। ओके, तो लॉग के अंदर जाकर के एरर चेक करो मनीष। लेट मी, मनीष मैं आपको प्रेजेंटर बना, सो गिव मी द show me your window so that we can solve. हो सकता है ये सेम प्रॉब्लम सबको आ रही हो. तो मनीष, here you go. ओके, प्रेजेंटर बनाने के लिए यहाँ से मनीष, show me, share your screen. थोड़ा जूम करना, एक सेकंड करना तो थोड़ा सा छोटा दिखता है. ओके, डेटा आपने का नेम लिखा मॉर्निंग डॉट टी. ओके, सो डॉट लगाते हैं हम लोग नेम में. क्यों हुआ है? बिकॉज द रूल सेज आप सिर्फ क्या यूज कर सकते हो, A to Z अंडरस्कोर या 1 2 3 4 5. ओके, सो टाइप में फ्रीवे सरफेस सही आ गया, नेम में ये गड़बड़ क्यों आ रही है? नेम में देखो आंसर भी कर दिया कार्तिकेय ने. मैं लेंथ किस तरह से डिफाइन करते हैं मनीष? एट द रेट क्यों लगाया है? इस $36 पॉइंट डॉट का मतलब होगा पहले लाइन से लेकर के 36 लाइन तक रीड करना है. क्या उतना रीड करना है आपको? तो लेंथ कैसे लिखोगे इसकी? कहां से कहां तक रीड करना है? मनीष ये गलत है. हाँ चलो कोई नहीं, रन किया. ओके, सो मनीष करना क्या है हमें? सबसे पहले हमको देखना है कहां से कहां तक रीड किया. जो आपने पहले टाइप लिखा है, राइट? टाइप पे कौन सा डेटा आएगा जहाँ फ्री व्यू सरफेस लिखा हुआ है, और कितना आ सकता है? 8 कैरेक्टर या डिलीमीटर तक उसको मिल जाए वहां तक. उसका जब कर्सर मेरा फ्री वे के बाद होगा तो फिर उसका कहां से रीड करना है? जो 4 जहाँ पर भी आपका कर्सर ब्लिंक कर रहा है, कॉलम नंबर 9. और कहां तक रीड करना है? जो 3684 लिखा वहां तक, उससे पहले वाले कॉलम तक, उससे एक कॉलम पहले तक. तो $9 $9 वहां कितना 36, वहां पे जाके देखो 3684 के आगे कर्सर लेके जाओ, या 15. हाँ यहाँ पे सिर्फ कर्सर, हाँ हाँ वही रहने दो. अरे ठीक है, अभी तो कितना दिख रहा है नीचे? 4. हाँ वहां कहाँ ले गए? अच्छा दिख गया. 43 क्यों कर रहे हो? 40 एक कम करोगे ना. 43 में तो वो 43, हाँ 42 करो उसे, तो 43 का मतलब 3, तो उसे पहले रोकोगे ना, 42, 9 to 42। अब मॉर्निंग और इवनिंग में कुछ लिखना है? मॉर्निंग इवनिंग क्यों नहीं लिखा? क्योंकि दैट्स अ न्यूमेरिक डेटा, राइट, एंड बाय डिफॉल्ट 8 कैरेक्टर तो रीड ही कर लेता है, तो वहां कुछ लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, इसको रन करो और अब सबका हो जाना चाहिए। यही चाहिए था ना? व्हाट ए बिग चैलेंज। अब मेरे को प्रेजेंटर बना दो। ओ, जी सर वाले लैपटॉप में। हाँ, वो 3 डॉट्स आ रहे होंगे ऊपर, मेरे वाले विंडो पे आप क्लिक करोगे, राइट। और तो जहाँ मनीष, एक विंडो में जीएस लिखा हुआ होगा बीच में बड़ा सा, उसके राइट हैंड टॉप पे,
यस सर।
उसके राइट हैंड टॉप पे ना 3 डॉट बनकर होंगे, वहां ऑप्शन आएगा मेक प्रेजेंटर।
सर जीएस के ऊपर।
हाँ,
सर यहाँ पे मुझे तो ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा।
अच्छा आप चैट में जाओ, जहाँ चैट है ना, चैट जहाँ 16 लिखा हुआ आ रहा है, और
यस सर।
ठीक है, वहाँ जी सर पे क्लिक करो, तो एक ड्रॉप डाउन वाला एरो आएगा,
यस सर मिल।
ठीक है, वहां से कर दो।
सर कर दिया।
ओके, थैंक यू। अभी सबका हो गया? यस, नो, मे बी, ओके, डूइंग। बाकी अशांका हो गया, कार्तिक डन, संचित डन, अचल डन, रोहित एंड ओशिन डन, रूपाश्री डन, मनीष का हो चुका है, हितेश का हो चुका है, फिर कौन रह गया? एक कोई रह गया है। करिश्मा, अच्छा आपको पहला हो गया था, राइट? ओके, ठीक है, परफेक्ट। सो नाउ the challenge is not just to read this data. Now the next challenge is I want to read only a smaller portion of this data. Just think about a situation where you have a big file. Big file means there are 10 million rows or 20 million rows, and you require data for a specific type, which means you want to control your input, right? So you don't want to waste your resource, which is the space, by reading every data. So I am going to write a program which will help me to control the input during the data step only. Otherwise, I can do that in a very simple step where I can just read the entire data, and with one condition I can remove the rest of the data. But at the time of reading, how I can control it, I am going to show you that thing. So first thing, we will read the file, which is data line, or it's a physical file, then you can put a physical location of the file. Now we will use an input statement to read our variable. So if I'm going to use a condition on this data or condition on this variable, I will use that particular variable in first input statement. So type dollar means I'm going to read the type, and the type is a character type of variable, and we use single trailing or single at the rate. So the objective of using a single at the rate means that we want to supply few more variable after this, or the second instruction which goes to stack is that it requires another input statement to complete the program, or we can say we can use another input statement after at the rate symbol. So what we will do, we will read the first variable. So what will happen in the background, it will read all the full column. Now we are passing a condition if type is equal to surface, which means give me output if type is equal to surface. Now input the rest of the variable. So name, AM traffic, PM traffic. So by this we can control the incoming data at the reading level only. So my data is only containing the data which I require. All right, and if I want a data for surface, I can use a keyword like delete. Now this will return me data only for freeway. Okay, since the table is open, the command is not executed. So with this, with the single trailing, we can control the input data at the reading level only. So at the rate का यूज मनीष यहाँ पे ये है कि इस एट द रेट की वजह से मैं दूसरा इनपुट स्टेटमेंट यूज कर सकता हूँ. तो पहले इनपुट स्टेटमेंट से मैंने सिर्फ एक कॉलम रीड किया, ठीक है. तो मेरे पीडीबी के अंदर एक कॉलम होगा विच इज टाइप, और इसमें के अंदर टाइप में क्या होगा, फ्री और सरफेस दोनों होगा. तो बजाय पूरा डेटा एक साथ रीड करने के मेरे को सिर्फ आधा ही डेटा या कुछ ही डेटा रीड करना है. तो मैं अपना स्पेस बचाने के लिए क्या कर रहा हूँ, एट द रेट का यूज कर रहा हूँ, तो सिर्फ एक कॉलम का स्पेस जाएगा. एंड देन आई एम यूजिंग इफ कंडीशन, और उसके बाद इस एट द रेट की वजह से मैं दूसरा इनपुट स्टेटमेंट पास कर सकता हूँ. All right. Now let's quickly. So till now we have only read the file which are separated by a space. So we can say that the till now all the program which we have learned are for default delimiter. All right. Now we are going to read this file, and with the current knowledge, right, you need to read this file. So you have data HOP, comma 7.1, comma, let me share this data with you. Okay, so now what we are doing, we are reading this file, name dollar, because name is a character data, followed by the variable 1, variable 2, and variable 3. These are my numeric data or numbers. So if statement this program, okay, yes it is, and over here you will be using AM traffic wala variable. Now the use of if
No,
is,
sir, my point was that in the first line where we have written input type $@, so over there it will be like input type name, and after AM_time we'll put the @, right?
no, you will be using, so if you want to put a condition on this, you will be writing this rest variable over here.
Okay.
So why we are using, because you want to, read as less as possible.
And in the
If
third
you are
row,
using,
like after we put the condition, like suppose whatever will be there for AM traffic. So in the last one, input, then there will be, we will not write that field name, right? The column name. Here we won't be
yes,
writing the AM traffic. We'll just write the type name and the PM traffic.
yes, yes. So if conditional, if अभी अमन मैंने start नहीं किया है, so we will discuss this in detail. ठीक है? So conditional statement अभी चालू नहीं किया है. So this is just one example जहाँ मैं simple if statement use किया, if type is equal to this. तो इसका मतलब क्या होगा कि अगर ये हो तो दे दो मेरे को आउटपुट. All right. So moving on to the next program, which is when my data is not delimited by a default delimiter, which is space, then how I will be writing a program. If I submit this program, let me run. So I will get an error. So in name column, it has written HOP, 7.1 means 8 character data it has already captured. And after that, variable 2, variable 3, it is showing me blank. Why blank for variable 1 and variable 2? Because it is considering this entire data as a character data and one data point only. And why one data point? Because there is no space in between. All right. So it is considering this entire data as one data only for name variable. And by default, it can read only 8 characters. So from here to here, it is really only 8 character. All right. Now, if I want to instruct SAS or I want to give command to SAS that the file which I am using, it is not separated by space, it is separated by a different delimiter, which is cases, comma. So we will use a keyword by name of DLM, which means delimiter. And once you submit this, then you will see your output. Yes, only in file command. Done. Yeah. Okay, सबका? So you need to read this file. So this file contains a name, one variable, a date, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 numeric variable. Name, date, and where 1, where 2, where 3, and where 4. So you need to write the program for this data. and I've given you the variable name. Let me know once you're done with your program. Anyone has completed? You have you have the data, you have the variable name, and you know how to read a differently delimited file. So where is the challenge? अरे इतना ही बोल दो कि सारा आउटपुट गलत आ रहा है, चलेगा मेरे को। कोई है जिसका कंप्लीट हो गया हो विद एरर विद पार्शियल डेटा, वो सब चलेगा मेरे को। ओके, रॉन्ग आउटपुट चलेगा, राइट? बट यू शुड हैव सम आउटपुट। Johnny, that might be the problem because of your internet connectivity. Otherwise, it's not a big program. Wrong output चलेगा, wrong output is fine. आउटपुट आना चाहिए बस, मेरा जो मानना है। तो अभी जो आउटपुट आपका आ रहा होगा उसका रीजन है ओके दैट यू कैन सी दैट ओके आपने 4 वेरिएबल डिफाइन किए हुए हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे डेटा कितना मिला उसको 3 वेरिएबल का, राइट। सेकंड, जब यहाँ वाले को आप देखोगे तो ये अलग और ये अलग 3 डेटा है, बिकॉज दे आर सेपरेटेड बाय कॉमा इटसेल्फ। ऐसे दिख रहा है ना आउटपुट में भी। So this is a special case, right, where your data is given in quotes and you have your delimiter within quotes. Second, it's very challenging to identify if this is a missing value or not. जहाँ पर भी मेरा कर्सर ब्लिंक कर रहा है नोटपैड पे, right? To command says, okay, this we need to handle this data. We use one keyword which is known as DSD, and DSD stands for delimiter sensitive data, and it does 3 things. First, it ignores the delimiter within the quotes. Second, it truncates the quotes from the data. And third thing, between 2 consecutive delimiter, it will assign a missing value. So now run this. Done. तो DSD 3 काम करता है। पहला काम ये डेटा से कोट्स को हटा देगा। सेकंड, ये इन कोर्स के अंदर आने वाले डिलीमीटर को इग्नोर कर देगा, सो दैट इसको ये एक ही डेटा पॉइंट समझे। तीसरा, 2 लगातार आए हुए डिलीमीटर को वो मिसिंग वैल्यू असाइन कर देगा। डेट कॉलम इज नॉट कंप्लीट, देखो क्यों नहीं आ रहा। सही प्रोग्राम की स्क्रीन पे है। आपने कोलोन नहीं लगाया, कोलोन। वेरिएबल 3 के अंदर at in which column, in which row, sorry, fifth row, Karishma? Yes, because you have a missing data over here. This is missing data. यही तीन काम तो करना है इसमें, दो consecutive. If there are two consecutive delimiter, then it should assign a missing value. It will strip the quotes and it will ignore the delimiter within the quotes. कंफर्म करो, हो गया सबका? तो रोहित शर्मा हो गया? चेक करो क्या गलती हो रही है, लॉग में जाकर के चेक करो हितेश। अच्छा, गैरी डॉट इन नेम कॉलम में डॉट आ गया, डॉलर लिखा है नहीं है, $30 लिखा है। चल वो सिंपल लिस्ट है, कॉलोन लगाया है। हाँ हितेश, का इनवाइट डेटा फॉर डेट इन फॉर्मेट क्या यूज किया आपने? MMDDYY10 डॉट। हितेश कोलोन मिस किया होगा या डेट का फॉर्मेट लगा होगा। 11 क्यों लिखा? 10 ही तो वो। और नीचे भी फॉर्मेट सही कर लेना उसका, डेट 11 डॉट। अब क्या आ रहा है? डेट का कोलोन लगा दो। कोलोन MMDDYY10 डॉट। नॉट और नाउ। ओके परफेक्ट। और सबका हो गया? मैं रोहित की आवाज नहीं, रोहित so we want to make it flexible from the back end, right? अमन क्या एरर आ रही है? एरर बताओ अमन। रोहित, कैन यू हियर मी?
हेलो सर, अमन बोल रहा हूँ।
हाँ अमन।
हेलो। हाँ सर, मैं लॉग में जाके अपना एरर चेक कर रहा था, तो इट्स
हाँ
स्टेटिंग सिंटैक्स एरर एक्सपेंडिंग वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कैंसल स्लैश पीजीएम, कैंसल कॉमा पीजीएम। 2 या 3 एरर है मेरे पास।
प्रोग्राम पे यहाँ पेस्ट करना मैसेज बॉक्स में। रोहित से क्वेश्चन पूछा। रोहित, नेट जुड़ गया। डीडी एमएम वाई वाई नहीं है, एमएम डीडी वाई वाई है। जो डेट का फॉर्मेट है ना, एमएम डीडी वाई वाई है, क्योंकि 15वां महीना नहीं होता, कोई 18वां महीना नहीं होता। ठीक करे से अमन, और बताओ। बाकी सबको हो गया आई बिलीव। एक रोहित तुम्हारी ओके। ये 10 डॉट ऑफ वेयर वन की विच स्पेस है ना? ओ 5 नहीं है, वो वेयर 4 ही है। ओ थैंक यू शी। अमन, वो वेयर 5 है ही नहीं आपके डेटा में। डन। अमन हो गया। वेरी सिंपल डेटा, सिंपल सा प्रोग्राम है, जल्दी से लिख के बताओ मेरे को। अमन फिर मेरे को अपना वो बनाओ। देखो मैं प्रेजेंटर बनाता हूँ आपको। लेट मी फर्स्ट शेयर दिस डेटा, और बाकी लोगों को बोलता हूँ प्रोग्राम लिखेंगे इस तरह का। ओके। अशांक ने आपका सही बताया कि वो मिसिंग डॉट है। 10 डॉट एम एम डी डी वाई वाई 10 डॉट लिखना था, वो 10 के बाद डॉट नहीं लगाया। सो सिंपल सा डेटा है, डेटा बता देता हूँ आपको। नेम है, वेरिएबल 1 2 3 4 एंड 5 है। नेम है, वेरिएबल 1 2 3 4 5। सिंपल।
Jeet, what I meant was the column number. Like 89 is starting from this one, just to make it sequenced.
You don't require a column number for this data. It's very simple data. Because the first data is just 8 character long, or even less than 8 character. अमन ठीक हुआ अभी? पिछला वाला मैं आपसे पिछला वगैरह पूछता हूँ. ओके. ये सबका सिंपल सा प्रोग्राम था. नेम और 4 या 5 वेरिएबल, 1 2 3 4 5. प्रोग्राम भी सामने लिखा हुआ है. क्या हुआ? आउटपुट सही नहीं है जैसे चाहिए था. रीडिंग ओनली वन लाइन. कैन समवन एक्सप्लेन कि क्या हुआ? What happened in this case? How it worked? Or how Sensor is reading the data? Why it is reading only one line of data? Connection just like that. मतलब मैं हटा भी दूंगा तो भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगा. जो समझाने के लिए ऐसे ये हटा भी दूंगा, then दे दूंगा. Right? If you remove this and this colon, it won't make any difference to this program. Now, who can explain me why it is only reading one line? How the program has been executed? काम कैसे किया हो जिसके वजह से वो एक ही लाइन आई? अरे भाई अमन, स्पेस तो इसलिए होता है क्योंकि वो पता लगे कि एक डेटा पॉइंट से दूसरे डेटा पॉइंट में फर्क है. So let me explain this, right? Since I am So what are my instruction? Read name. So it did read this name. Then it went to 89 for variable 1, 76, 91, 82 up to variable 4. It found the data. Now when it went to the last variable, which is var 5, it could not find the data over here. So it will move to the next line, and the next line you will see this is a character data, and you are looking for a numeric data. So that this will be missing, and then everything will go for a toss because the sequencing will be disturbed, right? मेरा भी वही आउटपुट आएगा जो आप लोगों का आया है. तो फर्स्ट वेरिएबल में क्या है, वेरिएबल 4 तक रीड किया, फिर इसका ब्लैंक गया. And so on. So now to give command to shell that we have the missing data at the end, we will use a keyword by name of missover. So this means that please, if you find a missing data, assign a missing data and move over to the next line. It will assign a missing value. So we will use a a keyword by name of missover. Yes, it is only for last. Now read this data. Again, name, variable 1 and variable 2. So what are the errors, Sanchit? So that's it. Okay, that is a programming error. That's a technical error, right? No, 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 this is programming error. Okay, just show me the program or write your program in the chat box. So I copied your program. You also You have semicolon missing from there. All right. So what about this program? And data you already had with you. Sorry, this is not the data, the other one. So read it. Now you know how to read a data which contains the space. Done? Now, if you assign this value $22.37, you will get this output. If you are getting this output, that means you have written the right program as per your knowledge. इतना हो गया सबका? सबका आउटपुट सेम आ रहा है मेरे से, जो कि गलत है. मनीष, फुल आउटपुट इसलिए आ गया क्योंकि आपने ये ना डेटा लाइन्स में लिखा होगा, लेकिन इससे अगर नोट पैड से रीड करोगे तब तो आपको आउटपुट नहीं आएगा फुल. All right. So in order to get the full output, we will use a keyword by the name of trunk over, which means truncate the column and move over. Since it could not find the data, which is 22nd to 37, so what it is doing, it is going to the next line to read this data to complete the length of this variable. So with the help of trunk over, we are commanding says that okay, you need to truncate the space and move over to the next line. Like this. So what is the use of trunk over? Trunk over means truncate the length and move over to the next line.
Jeet, the way the data, like, you shared, so I just copied that into my notepad and it was like unstructured. So when I'm using this $14 or maybe $13 or $15 as you have entered the value, that is not working for me. So what should we be doing in that case? We have an unstructured data.
So what is the meaning of unstructured data?
If possible, can I share my screen?
Sure. Let me make it a presenter. Which one should I make? Hitesh. Okay.
Hitesh 2, H2.
अच्छा. So Hitesh, the data which you are showing, right? If the columns are overlapping, right, and your delimiter is a space, that in that case you can't read this data. क्योंकि आपको पता नहीं होगा कि नाम में क्या आना है और वेरिएबल में जो एक न्यूमेरिक डेटा है वो क्या आना है. ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा कि मैं एक नाम की लेंथ 5 रखूंगा और दूसरे नाम की लेंथ 6 रखूंगा, तीसरे की 7 रखूंगा और फोर्थ की 8 रखूंगा. कॉलम कभी वेरी नहीं कर सकते, किसी सिस्टम से आएंगे ना, until unless उनका डिलिमिटर कुछ और ना हो स्पेस के अलावा.
Sorry, Jeet, I was speaking on mute. I'm saying that
फोर्थ
we
कॉलम
will never get unstructured data like this where we have the number starting with different column numbers for a
So
particular
and
column, we can say.
you can get an unstructured data. ट्वीट का जो डेटा होता है वो unstructured होता है, right?
Hmm.
But this program is not for that kind of data. We are saying that we will read this data which are coming from any system. Since beginning, I am saying this thing. किसी system से generated data होना चाहिए.
So raw data, but the generated data, structured data, raw but structured, we can say.
Structured, structured. Yeah.
Okay.
So I've never used the word unstructured in there in any of our conversation. I always use raw data that is coming from some structured some system. It will follow one pattern.
Okay. Sure. So just let me try this.
Getting fourth row also fourth row में है इस डेटा में पता नहीं लगता. तो तीन ही रो का डेटा है.
Mm-hmm.
ब्लैंक. बता प्रोग्राम भेजो. करिश्मा या उशीन कोई भी अगर आपने प्रोग्राम भेजो क्या लिखा है आप लोगों ने चैट में. लेट मी सी.
So मेरे प्रोग्राम में भी सिर्फ फर्स्ट नेम में फर्स्ट ही नेम आ रहा है, सेकंड वेरिएबल एम्प्टी आ रहा है मेरा.
So in this case, how can we do it? I know this one needs a dollar sign. But the name is giving issue.
Okay. So what is
Okay,
the
okay,
name?
I know. Okay, I know what the issue is. Let me. And I've modified the table. So it's not able to give the complete variable name
फुल लेंथ
here.
कैसे देगा आपने तो एक कैरेक्टर का लेंथ डिफाइन किया हुआ है. नो. So you should give the length, the full length 22 to 37. Otherwise, it will only read 8 character, right? Which it did. No, you need not to change anything over here. Okay, you are just checking out. Go to drive and go up to E.
Sorry?
So you need to give the length, the entire width of your last column.
So it's starting from 18.
Like we did. Okay, so you can start with from, no, it is starting from, okay, yes, it is starting from 18, so use 18.
Now I have to update, right? Because if I don't do it, so suppose let me cancel this out. So here, Maple starts from 19, Washington starts from 20th, and this one starts from 18. So if I give the value as 18, then it will
Okay.
count this number 2 also.
Yes.
So either I have to manually change the table.
Yes, we have to change. No, the data won't come in this fashion, right?
Mhm. No, even so, if my point is like if all these all these values are after one space, right? Like there is a delimiter of one space against each. So how can we read that kind of a data?
Mm-hmm. So if okay, so there are two things. If your data will contain only uh, a continuous data point, then it only you will be able to read it. Otherwise, you want to be able to define it because अब आपको कैसे मतलब जॉन और इस और गार्सिया के बीच में जो स्पेस आया है वो आपका डेटा को डिलिमिट कर रहा है कि आपका कॉलम को डिलिमिट कर रहा है.
So we gave this
How
as
do you identify
$14,
it?
right? No, we gave this as the first 14 digits or the 14 name should be considered as name, 14, first 14 characters, right?
Okay.
So
After this 114, right? You have one space, and after maple you have one space. So how do you know the space which is 114, the space which after maple, which is for data and which is for a column?
okay.
Why this is not working? Why colon? Because it will be up to a delimiter, and your delimiter is after maple. So you need to provide a fixed width.
I guess this works, right? If we even enter this way.
Okay, but this is incorrect, right? What is the width of your column? Maximum width of your column? Let me count. Starting from Washington K W. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
16,
16. You just need
16.
16. Yeah.
But the problem is if I give the starting column width as 18, then it will give me an error, right? Not an error exactly,
Yes.
but it will count 2 as part of Washington Drive.
Yes.
So what should be done in that case? Suppose I
If
take
you start with
this.
18, it will start reading from 18.
Yeah, so this is where I'm asking. So where am I going wrong here?
Now go to log and check error message.
Expecting an integer constant.
Dot हटा दो पीछे से.
Dot हटाना है यार. Editor 35. So yeah, that same issue.
No,
So maybe it is because of this
this
unstructured, yeah.
yes, because 2 is overlapping with your 18 thing.
Yes,
So this is overlapping with maple.
NS also.
Right.
So how can we differentiate after this variable one whenever there is a delimiter? It should read.
It then in that case, your delimiter will not be the space. Space cannot be a delimiter and a part of your data in the same fashion for running data. So if you've seen this thing in your data which we have used for common delimited file. So the previous example for where we have used DSD, there your everything was running, but the delimiter was different from the data. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल जब स्टॉप कॉमा ऐसा करके दिया था तो डिलीमिटर उन्होंने कोट्स के अंदर डाला था
Yes.
so that they can differentiate कि this delimiter is not a part of your data, it is a part of this particular variable only.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So this stop comma drop comma, why they put this into quotes? Then it will be next to impossible to differentiate that the first stop is for name and the second drop is for is also for name.
Yes.
So that's why we put that in quotes, or the system will put this in quote.
Okay.
So similarly, if you have a data within quotes, then you can differentiate, otherwise you want to be able to differentiate. So okay, just think about the program. Program is what? Program is set of instructions, right? If your instructions are not clear, or which I use a word MISI, and your instructions should be mutually exclusive and collectively exhaustive. Mutually exclusive means they should not overlap.
Yes.
If your data is overlapping, that means there is something wrong. Then it's a big concern for your source system. जहाँ से डेटा आ रहा है उनके यहाँ पे पूरा खिचड़ी पक चुका होगा अब तक, अगर ऐसा डेटा बना के देंगे वो लोग तो.
Okay.
All right. So
So maybe I
Oshin
have
and
to.
Karishma.
Look.
So Oshin and Karishma, you are getting 4 row, right? And 4th row is blank. This is what your problem. Okay. एक काम को अपने जो नोटपैड है ना उसमें जा करके so can you make me the presenter, Hitesh?
Sure.
JS1. Yes.
So maybe from here.
Go to
So how do I
chat
make you back
window.
the presenter?
Sorry, this. Okay, the 14 there is a the chat window just by the side of chat.
Okay, people.
You will see icon of people. Yes, and go to Jeet sir and just click over here. That's it. So Karishma and Oshin. What you need to do, आप क्या कर से यहाँ ब्लिंक करोगे उसको जाकर के ऐसे डिलीट करो और एक बैक स्पेस दबा दो. आपको कर से यहाँ ब्लिंक करेगा, इसको कंट्रोल एस करना, वापस से अपलोड करना एंड रन द प्रोग्राम. कुछ 4th लाइन चली जाएगी ब्लैंक वाली. All right. Now the next thing, how to read an existing data. अभी तो हमने सब raw data read किया. Now we are reading a existing data. To read an existing data, we used a keyword by name of set. Right? And then followed by the library name, followed by the dataset name. And your library name and dataset name will be separated by a dot.
Can you explain again?
If I submit this program, it will create a data set from this SL.class. Now it has the same data which is there in the SL.class data set. Now you will there are very rare chance that you will be reading the data exactly. कि इस लाइब्रेरी से उठा करके मैं वर्क में लेके जाऊंगा पूरा का पूरा डेटा. There is very less chance of it, right? So generally what you will be doing, you will be either reading few lines. So let me show you something. So observation 15 means I need to read up to row number 15, right? What I need to do, I need to read up to row number 15. If I use another keyword, first ops is equal to 10, this means my first line will begin from row number 10. You can consider this ops means last line, yeah, last observation. So once you run this, it will read the data from row number 10 to row number 15. So John till Phillips. And why it is showing you 10? Because it consider all the number inclusive. Python की तरह नहीं कि लास्ट नंबर नहीं रीड होता. Done? I'm not sure whether I have this file or not. Okay. So create a small file like this. And save this file like save as, and select CSV from the drop down list. And give it any name and save it somewhere on a desktop or any folder which you are comfortable with.
Can you show the data, please?
Data is not this small data, and the name is salary. So, Aman, what you need to do, you need to create a CSV file, a small CSV file. और अगर आपके पास कोई existing CSV file है, then it's fine. Done. Save this file, save as, and save as CSV. So that so the next thing which we are going to learn is how to read an Excel or CSV file, right? So what you need to do, you need to click on File, go to Import Data. Now this will show you which type of file you want to read. Comma separated value. Click Next. Browse it. Desktop. Test. Open. Next. In which library you want to store it. And what is the name of this file? And finish. So this file will be imported in your SAS. So let me explain it step by step. File, import data, select the type of file, click next. This will ask you where is the file located. You give it a path. Open it. Click on next. It will ask you where to store. Select your library and give it a name. And finish. This is how you can import a file.
Jeet, but on the UI, whenever we click on import data, it is just giving us an option to drag and drop file, not these steps.
So and you cannot even drag and drop from your desktop, right? So again, you need to store the file on your home drive. Then only you can import. Okay, no worries. So I'm not going to, make it. So that is very old fashioned. So we will be learning through programming. So we will learn through programming, right? So the same thing we can do with our procedures, right? So the first procedure which I'm going to explain is proc import. As the name suggests, procedure for import. So proc import data file. So the file which I want to import and its path, right? So in your case, the path would be your home drive path. Right? Once you have this path, now you need to give the command for the output, right? So where the output will go. So here in this case, work.txt. In your case, you can use webwork dot the name of file. And now the most important key is DBMS. Which type of database management system this file is coming from? All right. And replace means if in this location or in this library, if there is a file by name of test, please replace that file. So use very cautiously this keyword replace. Otherwise, once you replace anything, you won't be able to recover that file. So let me give it another name because you already have a file by name of test. Let me give it a name of test one so that so here you have your simple procedure to import a CSV or XLS file. So what you need to do is first you need to save your CSV file in your home drive. From there, you can directly import file by using proc import procedure. Done?
So G, this is the way to basically work on our CSV file in SAS SAS.
Yes, this is how you can import a CSV file.
And only after this we can work on it, not like the way we have been doing using a text file.
So again, in text file, you are importing that file, right? And this is also you're importing the file. Since in text file, you don't know the structure because there is no programming associated with the notepad. But in Excel, you have your background program where we can understand what is the length of one column, what is the type of the data. So we need not to explain this thing to the SAS again.
So by giving DBMSS CSV, we are giving it an option. We are telling it that it is going to be an Excel or a CSV file, so it needs to work accordingly.
Right. Yes. So my proc import will talk to the, this CSV format and will understand how it has stored the data in this particular file and will read it. And over here we are explaining everything because notepad is a raw data file. It does not have any programming associated with it. All right, so now till now what we have done, we have learned how to read in a raw data file, how to read an existing SAS file by using a set keyword. We have learned how to import a CSV or XLS file. So if it is an XLS file, you can use XLSX over here in place of CSV. All right. So with this, we are done with today's class. I'm sharing this program. I can share it on chat only because or you want me to share over email? Let me share over email as well. And this is DSP 48, right? So what do we use? Why we use replace for? So replace is used if you want to replace the file which are already there by the same name. अगर टेस्ट नाम से मनीष वहाँ फाइल पहले से ही होगी, उसको ये हटा करके दूसरी फाइल इंपोर्ट कर देगा. सो फॉर एग्जांपल अभी आपकी टेस्ट फाइल में क्या स्टोर है, ये डेटा है ना. अब मैं कोई दूसरी फाइल रीड करता हूँ. ठीक है, वो फाइल कुछ और थी इसी टाइप की है। अच्छा यही है, चलो मैं थोड़ा सा डिफ्रेंशिएट कर देना वहाँ पे और सिटी भी लिख देता हूँ। ये स्टोर कर दे। अब इसको फाइल को रीड करूंगा, नाम क्या टेस्ट वन था उसका भी। तो टेस्ट टू है फाइल का नाम। नहीं ये तो टेस्ट वन ही रहने देना, इसी को तो ओवरराइट करना है। ये टेस्ट हो जो इसको मैं इंपोर्ट करके ला रहा हूँ। वेरिएबल वन आ गया। टेस्ट टू कौन सी फाइल आ गई है? ओके सॉरी, वो एक्सेल फाइल थी, मैंने चेंजेस जो किए थे वो एक्सेल फाइल में किए थे, इसलिए नहीं आ रहा था सीरियल नंबर। और मैं रीड सीएसवी वाली कर रहा था, CI। ठीक है, और जो पुरानी टेस्ट वन फाइल थी वो आप अब रिकवर नहीं कर सकते। ठीक है, सो आई नीड टू रश टू अनदर सेशन, so thank you everyone, see you tomorrow and we will continue from here only.